Here we have a Honda EU2000i paralleled with the Kipor IG2000P, both parallel units. Plug them in first to let them sync up, and then I'm going to have a 15 amp chop saw DeWalt and a 10 amp 4.5 inch angle grinder running off the parallel. Should be 25 amp draw plus at startup. Everything works out just as it should. Both eco throttles are off. You can see they sync up and parallel just fine. The parallel kit that you can buy from Honda or from Kipor has a different plug for the dedicated parallel outlets. You can, of course, wire it up so it just plugs in to the standard 120 socket or outlet. Not great practice. If one of them gets pulled out, then you'll have a live lead on the male side, but it does work. Just for demonstration purposes.